Come with me to try this new local bakery in the middle of a literal snowstorm. You know, pastries are worth braving any weather for. Let me tell you, I am committed right now. If these croissants are not life-changing. Chocolate croissant. I thought, isn't it square?
They give us
the wrong one. They gave us the wrong one. Should we go back? Turn it off. Milk cheese. Have a bite. We finally got the right order. I had to walk back in the snow and they were like, oh, so sorry. Ew. My face is bigger. Let's take a bite. Solid. I would give it a 7 out of 10.